No needle means no needle stick. The Monoject SmarTip Vial Access Cannula from Cardinal Health is specifically designed to access rubber stopper medication vials without the risk of needle stick injury. To use, remove the Monoject SmarTip cannula from its packaging using aseptic technique. Next, clean the medication vial according to your facility's protocols. Penetrate the vial with the Monoject SmarTip cannula. For best results, place the vial on a counter. Do not angle the cannula during insertion. Instead, hold it perpendicular to the vial, using quick, consistent force to penetrate the center of the stopper. Draw up the medication following your facility's protocols. If pressurizing the vial, use air equal to the amount of medication to be drawn to avoid overpressurization and expulsion of excess fluid. Resheath the Monoject SmarTip cannula using a one-handed OSHA-approved scoop and hold technique. Remove the cannula and dispose of it in an approved Sharps container prior to medication delivery. For more information or to order Monoject SmarTip Vial Access cannulas, please contact your Cardinal Health sales representative or visit us online.